Welcome back everyone. In the last video I have discussed how to create a user account in Appwrite, and for that in the register view I have written the code and checked different state, like if the register is loading then we need to display the dialog loader, and if the state is success then the dialog loader will be cancelled, the message will be displayed, we will redirect to the login screen, and if there is any error then we will display this custom snack bar where the error message will be displayed. But if the error is happening in that time also, we need to cancel the dialog loader. So I need to copy this and paste it here. Fine. Now after this, in this particular video, I will discuss how to create a login function with the help of which the user will be logged in Appwrite. And to do that, in the Auth repository, I will create a login function. I will copy this. I will paste it here. I will change the function name from register to login, and whenever the user logs in successfully, at that time the Appwrite returns a session. So instead of user it will be session, and to log in we need to provide the email and password. Now once I create this function here, then it is giving error. Let me click here, and if I click on this bulb, then it is giving me option to create one missing override. Let me click here and you can see the implementation of this function is created here. Let me delete this, and here what I will do, I will copy this code which I have written inside the register function. So let me copy this and let me paste it here. Now I will declare this function as async. Now to login in Appwrite, instead of create, here we need to call a method which is called as create email and password session. Now as you can see, this returns a session, future of session. So here instead of user I will use session. Let me change its name to session, and this particular function takes email and password, so there is no need of this user ID, there is no need of this name, and here there is no need of creating this document. So I will remove this, and in right here instead of user I will return session. That's it. So our login function is created inside the Auth repository. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.